Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to move projects between workspaces. This is very simple. First, open up the project that you want to move, select this drop-down menu and click on Sync/Export. Now export this project tasks as CSV, so click on that and click on Export. Now it will open up this menu where you have to select where on your computer do you want to export. So let's say download folder and name the project. So project 2. Now press save and this will save your project as CSV. Navigate to the second workspace. So I will navigate to workspace 2. Now simply go to new project and select import spreadsheet, add from another tool. Now name your project. So in my case it is project 2. Select the workspace and select file to import. Now select a CSV file, so click on that and here find your project, project 2, double click, and here as you can see, here is your project, so click on go to project and you have successfully moved this project between these two workspaces. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.